आप सभी को प्रणाम। आप सबको अवगत है कि कल हमारे लिए नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी के लिए एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। कल हमारे कॉन्क्लेव शुरू हो रहा है सुबह 8:30 से, और ये जो कॉन्क्लेव है ये इस थीम पे है कि रीजनल एस्पिरेशन और नेशनल आउटलुक। इसी कॉन्क्लेव में हिस्सा लेने के लिए आप सभी को पता है कि बहुत वरिष्ठ एकेडमिशियंस, पत्रकार, पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स आए हुए हैं, और हमारे नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी से भी हमारे बीच में हमारे यहाँ शामिल है हमारे नेशनल जनरल सेक्रेटरी श्री जेम्स संगमा जी, जो मेघालय की सरकार पे कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर भी है। हमारे बीच उपस्थित है हमारे अभय कश्यप जी, जो पार्टी के स्पोक्सपर्सन भी है। तो इसी सिलसिला में हम आपके बीच कुछ बातें रखने चाहते हैं। तो अभी इस प्रेस वार्ता के लिए मैं हमारे जो नेशनल जनरल सेक्रेटरी है जेम्स संगमा जी को दरख्वास्त करना चाहता हूं कि प्रेस को थोड़ी सी आप संबोधित करें। आई थिंक इंग्लिश भी पार्टली हिंदी पार्टली इंग्लिश।
मैं सबसे पहले जो हमारे प्रेस के हमारे क्या कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एंड प्रिंट मीडिया से जो हमारे दोस्त आए हैं यहाँ उपस्थित है, सबको आपको पहले मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ। The reason why today we are here is, as has been already clarified by our Honorable President of the NPP of the Arunachal Pradesh State Unit, is that the party is organizing a conclave to discuss and to deliberate on very core and important issues which are related to the Northeast, namely the national outlook versus regional aspirations. And this is a topic which has been chosen by the Arunachal State Unit, and as has already been mentioned by our State President, that the deliberations will take place tomorrow with the participation of many luminaries, academicians who are authorities in their own respect, in their own respective fields, journalists, political leaders, amongst many. And we feel that this is an opportunity for a lot of discourse to go into very core important issues which are related to Northeast, which no one seems to be talking about. And this is something which is very novel. This is being done for the first time, that a political party has organized this sort of an intellectual discussion on very relevant and pertinent issues. So today we've had this meeting in the backdrop of our Northeast, our NPP conclave, which is taking place tomorrow. Today we are very happy that our National President, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, who is also the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, has graced this occasion to address our party leaders for this coordination committee meeting. And in the course of this meeting, he has interacted with our party leaders, and we have discussed various issues in regards to the organization and how we are going to take the next steps in terms of building up that organization, and also the political scenario pertaining to the state of Arunachal Pradesh. So I don't want to go into too many details, but I will be very happy if you have any questions you may ask. We can reply. If you want us to reply in Hindi, we are very happy to reply in Hindi or in English. So
Sir,
we are open to questions.
Yeah, please ask. Yeah.
Okay, sir, this is Mimi Mafi from Notice Life. So, sir, as yesterday evening, Honorable CM Conrad Sangma, he accepted that there is no denying that about the political agenda behind this event. So my question to you, being as a national leader, general secretary of NPP, so
How do you rate?
Yeah.
Great. I think I'll ask our honorable, MLA and our state president to reply to that. But as you all know, the NPP already has a base in the north, in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. We already, in the last elections, the General Assembly elections, we won 5 seats, although one was posthumous. But in total, we have 4 sitting MLAs right now. So the organization is already existing in the in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. But in terms of the future, I would like to ask our honorable state president to maybe take this.
देखिए ये बात है कि अगर आप कहें कि अरुणाचल के पॉलिटिकल स्थिति पे एनपीपी का क्या वजूद है, यही पूछ रहे हैं ना आप. व्हाट इज़ द स्ट्रेंथ, वही दैट इज़ दी दिस थिंग. सी इट्स ऑलरेडी बीन मेंशन दैट वी हैव 4 लेजिस्लेटर्स. रिसेंटली एक इस पे संगठन पे जो टीम है इस पे बदलाव आया हुआ है, एंड द न्यू टीम इज़ कैरिंग फॉरवर्ड विद अ न्यू एजेंडा. और इसी एजेंडा के आधारित ये जो आज कल जो कॉन्क्लेव होने वाला है, दिस इज़ पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोग्राम्स दैट द न्यू टीम वांट्स टू टेक अहेड. सो वी आर वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक कि हमारे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी एक बहुत ही अच्छा लोगों का जो अपेक्षा है, लोगों का जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, उस पर उभर के निकलेंगे. तो वी आर गोइंग अहेड एंड फोर्जिंग अहेड विद दैट. One of the questions that you asked was that कि which I think you asked हमारे ऑनरेबल नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट कोंडा संगमा जी को also, कि you asked whether it's a political, right? What did you ask?
No, yesterday he accepted that there is no denying that there is a political agenda behind the
Yeah.
conclave event here.
Yeah.
So regarding to that, I just asked that.
See, the answer lies in what he has already said कि ये देखिए ये एक पॉलिटिकल मसला है. जितना भी हम लोग विषय बात कर रहा है, जितने भी हम लोग टॉपिक्स लेके आ रहा है, it's a political agenda for the region. We're not saying it's a political only benefiting the National People's Party, but it is a political agenda which needs to be brought forward. These are the important issues that are confronting the North East and the state of Arunachal Pradesh. जैसे हमारे चकमा हजोंग्स के इशू के बारे कल डिबेट होंगे, डिलिबरेशंस होंगे. जैसे हमारे जो नागा पीस प्रोसेस के बारे होंगे, उत्तर पूर्वी राज्य में जो इसका असर भी है, प्रभाव भी है. तो these are political agendas, but
one humongous mass. They consist of different interest groups. For example, a person living on the border will have concern with issues related to the border. A person staying in an area where are there expatriates from other states or from other countries has issue with another issue, relationship with citizenship related issue. So we are trying to address the political question not just by a quid pro quo kind of strategy, which many of the speakers today, if you were presented, were speaking of a quid pro quo kind of transactional approach to political management. We are trying to get away from that paradigm and go into an approach where we are inviting even the people having opposite views to us, so that the thesis of our views, antithesis of their views results in a synthesis which then forms a stronger basis for our own political agenda. When the president talked about this, there being political agenda, he did not mean it was a quid pro quo kind of political agenda for NPP. What it meant is we are trying to be catalysts to try, and today also he said it, try and provide a platform for different persons who are having concern for issues on the political agenda of Northeast to give their diverse opinions, so that then we can work out a strategy for addressing those issues. I think that
sums it up.
Yeah, so my next question is open to all three of you. So what's your plan and policy for future political scenario between Meghalaya and Arunachal and Northeast as a whole? And the second question is what's your lookout on Northeast regional politics and challenges?
I think you can do that.
May I?
Okay. Yeah.
First of all, you have asked, must point out, You have asked 5-6 questions rolled into one. I'll try to address. I'll first say the question and then address it so that there is no confusion.
Do you speak in Hindi?
Yeah, would you like me to speak in
Yeah,
Hindi?
it's better if you speak in Hindi.
आपने 5-6 प्रश्नों को एक साथ एक बिस्तरा बना के मेरी ओर फेंक दिया है, हमारी ओर फेंक दिया है, तो हम उन प्रश्नों को अलग अलग करके पहले देखते हैं.
Do you want me to repeat the
No,
question?
no, no, no.
We understood.
Correct me if I am wrong. You can repeat me. मेरा समझ से आपका पहला प्रश्न ये था कि हम अरुणाचल और मेघालय के बीच में क्या समन्वय या क्या तालमेल देखते हैं. तो मेरा कहना यह है कि हम एक राजनीतिक दल हैं. हम मेघालय और अरुणाचल को कोई चेस के गोटी की तरह नहीं देख रहे हैं जो उनके बीच में तालमेल बिठाना है. हम दोनों जगह एक एस्पिरेशनल पार्टी की तरह प्रेजेंट हैं हु वांट्स टू सर्व, जो वहाँ की जनता को सर्व करना चाहती है, उनको कन्विंस करना चाहती है कि आइए आपने सबको ट्राई करा, मेघालय में तो हम ही हैं, गिव अस अ चांस विद मेजॉरिटी दिस टाइम, इस बार हमें पूर्ण बहुमत दीजिए. अरुणाचल में हम चाहेंगे कि सरकार जो भी बने, सबसे अच्छा तो हम चाहेंगे हमारी ही बन जाए, लेकिन शायद वो इतना एम्बिशियस होना होगा, लेकिन जो भी बने उसमें हमारा हस्तक्षेप या हमारे बिना ना बन सके, इतना हम चाहेंगे कम से कम कमिंग इलेक्शन में. लेकिन दोनों जगह में तालमेल की जहाँ तक आपने बात की या समन्वय बिठाने की बात की, तो हम चाहेंगे कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट पूरा ही, ना सिर्फ ये 2 स्टेट्स मिलके एक ऐसी, देखिए एक हमारे देश में बहुत बड़ी राजनीति में एक त्रुटि है कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट में छोटी छोटी स्टेट्स हैं, तो उनकी आवाज़ जब तक दिल्ली पहुंचती है बहुत कमज़ोर हो जाती है. 2 MP 3 MP, लेकिन अगर नॉर्थ ईस्ट पूरा एक साथ जाए तो उसकी आवाज़ वेस्ट बंगाल जैसी हो जाती है, तमिलनाडु जैसी हो जाती है. हम वो चाहते हैं. ये संगमा जी का विजन था कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट एक आवाज़, आपस में जैसे अभी प्रेसिडेंट ने कहा, कमरे में हम आपस में अपनी स्टेट में लड़ें करें, लेकिन जब हम दिल्ली जाएं हम एक आवाज़ में बोलें, तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए बहुत कुछ हो सकेगा जो कि अभी नहीं हो पा रहा.
Sir, my question to you, MLA sir and GS sir, James sir. Sir, if we look at the present, the current political scenario right now in state, nurturing big political ambitions may mean that the NPP, the NPP would be in direct confrontation with the BJP. So, sir, do you think that it is correct to look at it that way?
I let me answer that very clearly. इवन आज के जो मीटिंग हुआ, कोऑर्डिनेशन मीटिंग हुआ, उस पर इसके ऊपर भी ये जिक्र हुआ कि देखिए हम कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के अगेंस्ट नहीं लड़ रहे हैं, हम मुद्दा के ऊपर लड़ रहे हैं. समझ गया ना कि वी आर फाइटिंग इश्यूज दैट आर कन्फ्रंटिंग द रीजन एंड हमारे प्रदेश को भी. सो देयर इज़ नथिंग लाइक कि हम बीजेपी से लड़ रहे हैं या कांग्रेस से लड़ रहे हैं. देयर इज़ नथिंग लाइक दैट. वी आर फाइटिंग फॉर द एस्पिरेशंस ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ द नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड हैंस फाइटिंग फॉर द पीपल ऑफ द एस्पिरेशंस ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश. सो देयर इज़ नो कन्फ्रंटेशन विद एनीबडी. वी आर जस्ट प्लेसिंग व्हाट जो अरुणाचल का जनता का भावना है, जो अपेक्षा है, वी आर जस्ट टेकिंग दैट फॉरवर्ड एज ए पॉलिटिकल पार्टी थ्रू एन एजेंडा ऑफ आस, which is the one of the agenda is the conclave that is going to happen tomorrow. I think that clears it up. I think you can also.
No, I completely agree.
Sir, in nutshell, my last question to you is, what is the key developmental plan and policy of the National People's Party as in general?
I think you can take that better, huh?
That's a very easy question, I must say.
We as a party, we've always felt the need, as has been already explained by our honorable president of Arunachal Pradesh, that there is a need to have a common voice. There is a need for all of us to come together, as has been stated by Ms. Abhay Kashyap, our spokesperson. In our long years of experience in Northeast politics, the voice of the Northeast is always, by the time it reaches New Delhi, it just peters out. And that is why there is a need for, collectivization, for coordination. That is very, very important, and it's the need of the hour, and that's the only way that we can assert our regional aspirations. And that is the reason why, one of the reasons why we're having this conclave is to express that, is to bring about positive discourse on it, so that people can share their ideas with us, can talk about the challenges that lie in terms of how we go ahead with this. And we as a political party, we believe that that is the end goal. But the way towards it is something that requires all of us to come together, I think. And that's our ideology, basically, to put it in a nutshell, as you were saying, is to, although we may have differences, but all of us have to come together. And that's the only way that the voice of the Northeast is going to be heard.
Okay, fine. Finish.